Hello YouTubers, this is Bushcraft Canuck coming to you today to bring you a review on a Bushcraft folder. I was looking for a folder to carry around, but I wanted it to be something that was capable of some bushcrafting tasks. So the knife I came across was from a company called Enzo, and here it is. It is the Birk 75. So the Enzo Birk 75 folder. And this comes in about 4 different configurations, only 2 of which I could find. It comes in curly birch handles, and it comes in carbon fiber handles. It also comes in G10, and it comes with another curly birch with a bolster. And the only 2 that I could find to purchase were either this or the carbon fiber, and I wanted to go for something more natural, so I went with the curly birch. Now the blade of the knife, which is a 3-inch blade approximately. This one came in D2 steel. It also comes in S30V. So I chose the D2. I watched some reviews, and the reviews were very, very positive. It has a 0-degree Scandi grind on it, and it comes very, very sharp, wicked sharp. So there it is. The Enzo Birk 75, and the fit and finish of this knife is very, very nice. It feels quite good in the hand. The spine is easily a good 90-degree spine. I can't see there being any trouble striking sparks with a ferro rod with this, but we'll try that a little later. And there it is. So let's have a look at this and see how it works with some wood, and try it out a little bit. Okay, so I'm sitting by the fire here, and I'm just doing a little work with some wood. Now, this is a folder. This would be for like doing some whittling and small tasks, maybe small woodworking tasks around the campfire, maybe even a little bit of wood or food processing if you wanted. Let's just see what it does. Say if I wanted to make some shavings for fire. Yeah, that 0 Scandi grind is just crazy sharp. Let me grab a couple smaller pieces of wood. Okay, so we got some smaller wood here, and this is where, you know, I might use this to, you know, shave or make some feather sticks. This blade really wants to dig into that wood, so the trick with the feather sticks is kind of almost keeping it from eating into the wood too deep. Yeah, look at that. It's just wanting to bite in there way too far. And these feather sticks are turning out to be rather thick. Now, could this baton? Well, you know, if you wanted to process just some smaller wood into smaller yet pieces, yeah, but it's a folder. I mean, that's not its primary function, and that's not something that I would ask it to do very often, if at all. But it would just be for like I say, carving or feather sticks, shavings, some food processing. Which, I don't know if you can see that, but those are pretty fine curls. So it's doing a fine job of that. Now say I wanted to do some notching here. See, they're doing just a thumb push on this blade. It just does a marvelous job. It really bites into that wood. Oh yeah, look at that. Now obviously I haven't worked with this knife for very long. My concern when I bought it was, of course, you know, it's got the pocket clip there, and you know, I wondered how much of an impact that's going to have with holding it. And maybe if there were hours of work involved, I might feel that. I might develop some hot spots, I don't know, but overall, like, just initial impressions is that it is quite comfortable in the hand. And I don't even notice, I don't notice that the pocket clip is there. I don't really feel any irritation. I'll tell you, the pocket clip is really excellent. I find it's the spring is just right. It really easily slips into your pocket, and you don't have to really work at getting it to slip on the outside of the fabric. So the tension on that blade, or on the spring for the pocket clip, is set really well. And now I'm eating some smoke. Yeah. See, look, I'm wanting to cut deep and get some thick slices of that wood. No problem. That just cuts deep. Alright, anyways, that was just quick initial impressions and just a few tasks with the Enzo. Oh, I was going to show you the ferro rod. Alright, so I've got a ferro rod here. Oh yeah, you can just feel it. Yikes. I mean, it is catching a lot of material there. I have a more Bushcraft black, which is known to be quite excellent for throwing spark off a ferro rod, and I'd have to say this is every bit as good, maybe even better than that. I'm really impressed with that. That really throws the sparks. All right. Okay, so that's just been a quick review of the Enzo Birk 75. Take a closer look there. And my first impressions of this are that it's an excellent knife. A very sharp blade, great 90-degree spine. That Scandi 0° bevel is just excellent. Very comfortable in the hand. Like I say, I believe it's like a 3-inch blade and a 4-inch handle, something like that. And it folds up nicely in your hand, or with one hand. So check it out. If you like this review, click on the thumbs up down below, share if you wish with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel. I plan on doing some more reviews, gear reviews, and also some videos on some bushcraft tasks. So glad to have you here, and hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.